What's up, my mobile detailing people? It's Wayne back again with another detailing video. In this video, we're going to be talking about marketing strategies from A-frames to marketing to websites, whatever it is that I do to get business, because you guys are always asking. So let's talk about it, y'all. Google my business. That's number one. Started with the foundation of just signing up for Google. A lot of people don't even do that. So a lot of people that have been in the game for 10, 15, 20 years, they have no Google, but they have reoccurring clients. But they're not in tune with going on today when it comes to marketing. You know, all us young people, we Google me, you know. Google is gonna put you all around the world, man. Like I said before, Google me. And people are looking for mobile detailing, they're gonna type it in. Who's gonna pop up first, second, third? Sometimes you don't pop up because you're not active on it. So this is how you get people to call you. Your phone number, your website, your Instagram, everything is gonna be linked onto that Google, and it ties into everything. So you definitely want to make sure you have a Google because you got to get in tune with the times today.
I noticed for you, it's not just Google that helps.
Yeah.
It's the reviews.
There it is.
Do people call you all the time saying, I booked you because of your reviews?
Yeah. So when people are hunting for a detailer, they want to know about you. So what do you have? A lot of people I see skip the website, skip the Instagram, skip a whole bunch of stuff, and they don't realize that when the people go in there to see the reviews and they like you, they want to see more about you because you already caught their eye. Oh, wow, he has amazing reviews. Let's check his website. There's no website. There's no Instagram. Wow, the pictures are horrible. Wow, this isn't aligning up with the reviews. Let me go with the next one. So you want to make sure when you start to Google my business that you have everything laid out, from a description about yourself, from pictures about the work you do, packages, everything is laid out on there to grab them. The last detail I did yesterday, he said, man, the video you have on your website is amazing. I clicked it and you were just talking about your business, you're a man of God, this and that, and he was just telling me about myself because I laid it out there for him, that foundation. So that's what the Google is good for. This is what brings in most of the business. I would say 60, 70% of my business comes from Google My Business.
Hey, and flex on them real quick, Wayne. How many reviews do you have?
Oh man, that's 333 and counting today, man. So, yep, we got 6 details today, so add that to that too. This customer was actually from my dad. My dad, he supports, and he told his boss, and this is his boss's son's car. So I take care of his boss car and his son's car, which is pretty dope. But if it wasn't that, it would be Google.
Now, friends and family, spread the word. Does that help or not really? Like, should all detailers have their friends and family promote their business?
Definitely, that was a foundation. One of the starting things of me getting my pictures, me getting my reviews, and that's the start. You know what I mean? You take care of all your cousins, all your mom, your dad, people from school. You got a lot of inventory of pictures now just to get started. So that's the jump start.
All right, Wayne, so we talked about Google, reviews, word of mouth, but what about repeat customers?
There it is.
Is that a big source of revenue for you?
I was gonna say that from the beginning, those people that you did an amazing job with, those are gonna be the people that build your company from you doing an amazing job. Now, if you do a horrible, you get your foundation started horrible, you're gonna be struggling. So if you're in the game for 6, 7 years and you got a 4.0 and you got bad reviews mixed in with good, you got a lot of new people coming in, man, no new friends, man. We need to get our business to a point to where we're so consumed with taking care of our repeat clients that we don't have to get new clients. We're polishing and correcting and protecting our old clients. You know what I mean? So I have about 25 reoccurring clients, and my receptionist, that's another thing. My receptionist, she's writing out messages. I see you booked again for the 5th time paying full price. It's time for you to sign up for the maintenance package. You know what? Let's go ahead and do it. So she's sending out mass messages to all 1,000 and something plus people that I've serviced, and she's getting it. So far, she's gotten about 3 to 5 repeat clients, and it's becoming easier and easier to get it when you keep showing up in front of their face doing an amazing job. You know what? Let's do it. So stay consistent, stay doing an amazing job, and keep going above and beyond. If you got time, do something extra. You know what I mean? Don't see it as a loss, see it as an investment, just like you invested into your business, right? So they say I can't afford the headlight restoration. They've been with you for a year. Knock it out and surprise them. You know what I mean? Give them a gift. Make a gift basket. I give a little gift basket of air freshener, a towel with an interior cleaner. You know what I mean? I got some in there. I'm gonna show you guys. Go the extra mile. Not because you want their money. Of course we need it, but because you actually care. You know what I mean? You care about doing a good job. You care about their well-being. You care about their mom that just was in the hospital. You're praying. Build a relationship. All right, hey, this is a new segment right here. It's called Scripture Time, man. It's called Man of God Time, Woman of God Time. Let's talk about it. So this scripture that came to my head, chasing money. It says, what's it to profit the whole world but to lose your soul? You know what I mean? We need to be focused on storing up treasures in heaven. And what is storing up treasures in heaven? It's leading somebody to salvation. God said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes into the Father but by me. God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whoever believes in him will not perish, but have everlasting life. So give them life and focus on Christ, and your business, it'll prosper, it'll be blessed because it's founded on Christ. And like scriptures is just popping in my head. On my van right here, Matthew 6:33, it says, seek ye the kingdom first and his righteousness, and all things shall be added. So if you seek the kingdom first, everything that you need, God will supply all your needs. You don't need to chase the money. You don't need to chase the clothes, the girls, and all that. So keep that in mind, you guys.
Wayne, so we talked about Google, but I want to talk about specifically something that you've done, Google Ads. What has been your experience with that? Does it work?
So Google Ads and Google My Business. Google My Business is just your business platform. Google Ads puts you first above all the Google businesses. So that's the difference. And I no longer pay for Google Ads because my business is already running itself now to where I'm already ranking organically. You know what I mean? Keywords, SEO, keywords, meaning on my website, I have keywords. Everything has keywords. Keywords is like mobile detailing business, car wash, or whatever it is, labeled, plastered everywhere so that when people type it in, it pops up. So I have that organically going. If I was to throw ads up, I probably would get bombarded with way more work than I can handle right now. So if things slow down, it just throws me up there first. So no, I don't do any Google Ads right now at the moment. But then it is a crazy amount of calls, 10 to 15 calls a day, negotiating all day. You better have a receptionist if you got good Google ratings. But yeah, other than that, we got Google My Business, word of mouth, and we talked about Google Ads.
I see you have a lot of signs.
Right.
And rap. You're out here detailing. People see that.
Right.
How much business did that bring in? Or people just walking by?
Sheesh, that's all throughout the day. People are stopping, taking pictures, stopping at my signage that I have up there. They are getting my QR code, and I would say it's about 10 to 15 throughout the day. Sometimes it could be more, but that's about the average. And out of those people, they may not call the same day or a week, but I get people 2 months, 3 months, a year. They got my cards, they got pictures, and they'll show me this is how I got it. So this really works, and it does generate. So it's a must.
So there's a lot of detailers out there that only have a truck, sedan, a van, no signage. Do you think they're leaving a lot of money on the table?
Definitely, you are.
But it's $4,000 a wrap, Wayne.
You're gonna pay for that in a couple days or a week, man. It'll be paid off. So when you have a wrap, they see professionalism. They see your setup inside. They see the A-frame out there. They see your business cards. They see everything. They see the outfits with the business in the back. That alone right there, sign me up. They haven't even seen the work. And they look at us and they say, man, I can't afford you. We get people, give me a card. I know I can't afford you, because they see the professionalism. So this is a must. Another big thing that's helped is YouTube. So if you can get your beginning journey of how you started with YouTube, shout out to my man Reyes. Reyes blew my channel up and took it to the next level, and it's opened up the doors for me to open up a shop, for me to get merch, for me to get a revenue from Amazon affiliates. We're gonna be starting an ebook. Whatever it is, when you get YouTube going, it opens up the doors for all different kind of revenue.
Hey, and you are getting paid from an app that you're partnered with, because where'd they find you?
There it is, from YouTube. So I had a guy reach out to me to develop an app, He said, I want you to be the face of it. I want you to tell me how you want this ran. So as I'm out here in the field, I'm like, hey, we need this. We need to add this. We need to add upsells to this. And we actually built and developed the app, which you can find below in the description. And this took my business to the next level. And the best thing I like about the app is the build your own detail platform where clients, when they scan my QR code, it takes them to the app to where you could pick, like, hey, I have an SUV. I need this, I need a wax, I need a sealant, I need that. And they can build their own detail according to their budget. But anyways, to sum it all up, YouTube, shout out to my man Rez. They can find you in the description below, right?
Yeah.
If you guys are looking to do a ride along, whatever, you guys know what Rez is doing. He's working with me right now, man. So if you like this, reach out to him. Other than that, we got YouTube and also Instagram, Facebook, just a normal foundation to where people can see your work and you can constantly be in their face. You never want to let people sleep on you. You know what I mean? They're seeing you on Instagram. They're seeing you on Facebook. They're seeing you from word of mouth. They're hearing about you. And then eventually, 3 months, 6 months, a year, they're like, all right, I give in. You see them ads that you click on or that you talk about, they know how to throw it in front of your face. So let's say you click on something on YouTube, mobile detailing. Guess what's gonna pop up? Detailing. You know what I mean? Now you're in their face, and now eventually guess what you do? You click on it. So that's the strategy. Hey, that's how I market my business. That's how I advertise. There's many more things, but those are the main things that's helped my business grow. And I'm just constantly making sure I'm getting everything going and not getting lazy and just continually promote and not focused on one thing, but focused on a variety of things. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments. Have any advice in the comments, like, share, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned for the next video.